Building a CISM-centric career path in cybersecurity. The CISM certification is a global credential. It verifies the skills of infosecurity managers. This certification shows a person's skill in designing, managing, and assessing an organization's infosecurity systems. Why choose a career in cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is now vital for all organizations. There are more cyber threats and data breaches. Cybersecurity experts are in high demand. So, it's a great field for a rewarding career. Advantages of CISM certification: career advancement. CISM certification can lead to higher paying jobs and leadership roles. Specialization, focusing on information security management, can build expertise in it. Job security, as our world goes digital, demand for cybersecurity experts will grow. This will provide job security for qualified individuals. Developing CISM skills and expertise. Risk management, understanding and mitigating cybersecurity risks within an organization. Security governance, establishing and overseeing information security policies and procedures. Incident response, responding effectively to cybersecurity incidents and breaches. Compliance, ensuring that an organization complies with relevant cybersecurity laws and regulations. Conclusion: in conclusion, a CISM-focused path in cybersecurity can lead to a rewarding career.